Meaning of James Frazer.
James Frazer.
James Frazer.
James Frazer.
James Frazer. James Frazer refers to Sir James George Frazer, a Scottish anthropologist and folklorist who was best known for his monumental work, The Golden Bough. This book, which was first published in 1890, is a seminal study of comparative mythology and religion, and has had a profound influence on the development of anthropology and other social sciences. Frazer's work covers topics such as magic, ritual, sacrifice, and the worship of gods and goddesses, and his ideas continue to be studied and debated by scholars to this day.